Welcome to the future. It's right here, and it's going to make a real difference for your business. This is the CAT D7E with electric drive. This breakthrough, first-of-its-kind electric drive system delivers quantum leaps in overall production and fuel efficiency. It helps to dramatically reduce operating costs for a machine of this size. And it gives the D7E an unprecedented mix of straight-ahead dozing power and tight quarters maneuverability, making it one of the most versatile mid-size track-type tractors in the world. Plus, it's resourceful in a lot of different ways to positively impact your bottom line and our world. Of course, innovation is nothing new for Caterpillar. We've been blazing that trail since we invented track-type tractors more than a century ago. And we continue to work hard to build machines that help make your operations more productive, more fuel efficient, and more cost effective. With this first-of-its-kind electric drive, CAT track-type tractor technology is about to take yet another major turn. The D7E's electric drive system is the most advanced machine drivetrain on the planet, but it's surprisingly easy to understand. It all starts with a diesel engine. In this case, a proven CAT C9 engine with a CERT technology. It gives you all the power you expect with fewer emissions, keeping you compliant. But instead of the engine feeding into a conventional transmission, it drives a generator that efficiently converts engine power into AC electricity. The electric current flows through specially designed cabling and connectors into a unique electric drive system consisting of a power inverter and two continuously variable electric drive motors. This drive system delivers powerful torque in either direction with smooth modulation that makes the D7E a joy to operate. You get precise control with no gears to shift and all the dirt hogging capability you expect from a D7 class dozer. Plus, you get precise maneuverability that you wouldn't expect from a machine of this size. And here's something really unexpected. For all its advanced technology, this electric drive system has 60% fewer moving parts than the power shift transmission used in previous D7 models. You can expect up to 50% more electric drive component life compared with conventional drives in similar applications. Plus, all the electric drive components are built into easy-to-service modules, which are readily accessible under the D7E's tilt cab. Overall, the system requires dramatically less service, less maintenance, and fewer replacement parts. In fact, the electric drive system helps the D7E use fewer resources of all kinds, including fuel, fluids, service, and parts, over its entire working life. That translates directly into lower operating costs for you and a better use of resources overall. Let's take a closer look at one of the most important resources we're working to preserve: fuel. Using a diesel engine to generate electricity for machine power is very efficient. The engine runs in a much narrower power band, which saves fuel and enhances engine life. That, coupled with efficient transfer of power to the ground, enables the D7E to give you maximum power and performance while using up to 20% less fuel per hour, compared with a similar conventional machine working the same application. Now consider that you also get a 10% productivity boost as measured in cubic yards moved per hour compared to the current D7R Series 2. Together with the reduction in fuel consumption, that means the D7E gives you an average 25% increase in material moved per gallon of fuel. That's good, very good for you and your business. And another real plus is that there's less, fewer parts to replace, and lower service needs throughout the entire machine. For example, the D7E is entirely beltless because all the systems that used to run on engine belts are now powered by electricity, except the fan, which is driven by hydraulics. With no belts to maintain or replace, you'll spend less time and less money on routine service. And when equipped with System 1 undercarriage, your lifetime undercarriage costs will be cut by 35 to 70%. How is that possible? For starters, it doesn't require bushing turns, so you eliminate those expenses and the downtime that goes with them. The idlers last longer too. In fact, all the System 1 components are designed and built to last longer. And check out the simplified hydraulic system. The only machine systems powered by hydraulics are the differential steering and implements, plus the hydraulic fan. The most obvious example of the D7E streamlined hydraulic system is the single lift cylinder. It provides all the power and blade stability of a dual cylinder system, but with less than half the parts. Here's another example of doing more with less. The D7E single unit heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. This self-contained module is built for maximum reliability, plus easy service and maintenance. It has dramatically shorter refrigerant lines, and because it's electrically powered, operators experience no air conditioning lag and idle. It's simply the most effective HVAC system ever built for a track-type tractor, and it helps to further reduce the D7E's overall service needs and maintenance costs. The location of the HVAC system has added benefits for the operator. It is mounted outside and to the rear of the cab, which contributes to greater than 50% reduction of inside cab noise. And speaking of the cab, that's an area where the D7E definitely gives you more room, more comfort, and better all-around visibility. The effect is striking as soon as you climb in. Sight lines to the blade areas are unobstructed, and the center post cab provides unprecedented forward visibility. The whole design helps keep your most valuable resources, your people, comfortable, safe, and productive all shift long. This idea of doing more with less is at the very heart of a concept that I mentioned earlier, resourcefulness. Caterpillar is pushing to develop and use forward-thinking technologies wherever we can, not just because it's a smart way to preserve increasingly scarce resources, but it makes good business sense too. So that's our look into the future, and we've seen a perfect example of how you can count on CAT every day to help you do more with less while helping to preserve valuable resources for the future. The new D7E, with its revolutionary electric drive system, is the future. It's right for today, right for tomorrow, and it's right around the corner.